Hello to everyone. Today we have discussed about the ninth class, the second problem, example 10.5 in the chapter work and energy. The problem is find the energy possessed by an object of mass 10 kg when it is at the height of the 6 meter. Okay, above the ground, the given gravity. So gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Here we will find out the potential energy. Okay, we know that the formula of potential energy. Now we have to write about the solution. Mass of the object m is 10 kg. Displacement is height, so h is equal to 6 meter, and acceleration due to the gravity is the gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. From the equation 10.6 we can take on the equation ep is equal to mgs. ep is nothing but potential the energy. Potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. Here we write about that one. ep is equal to, so what is the mass? 10 into gravity 9.8 into height we can take on here 6 meter. Okay, now ep is equal to 10 into 98. Here the point, we will be erase the point here, it become coming under the denominator 10. Okay, now as usual we have to write about the 6 here. Okay, remaining one place here, that's why it will be taken as 0. Remaining two place we have to add another 0. That means 1 point is equal to the 1 0. Okay, now here look that one, here also 10, here be 10. So we will cancel the 10. Okay, now potential energy is equal to 98 into 6. Okay, 98 into 6, we have multiplication, it will be become 588. So 98 6 the 588. Now the potential energy is equal to 588 joules. Okay, here we write about the conclusion. The potential energy is the potential energy is 588 joule. This is the problem 10.5. Here we have another problem, same simple problem. The problem is very simple. So in this case we have to find out the potential energy. Now in this case they will be already given the potential energy, but we find out the height. The problem is an object of the mass m is 12 kg is at the certain height, one certain height above the ground. If the potential energy of the object is 480 joule, here the potential energy, find the height at which the object is with respect to the ground. It means how much the distance it will be covered as ground to, so ground to certain height. So what is the distance? We have to calculate the distance of ground to height. Okay, here we already know about that. Mass of the object is 12 kg and potential energy is 480 joule. We find out the height. We know the formula from the equation 10.6. The formula is ep is equal to mgh. Potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. Okay, they given the g here. So what is given? G is 10 meter per second square. Already they will be given the gravity. Now we find out from this equation, we have to write about that. What is potential energy? Potential energy is 480 joule is equal to mass 12 kg into gravity 10 meter per second square. So into height, we don't know the height, just we have to write about the h. Okay, now here it will be taken 480 joule is equal to 12 tens are 120. Okay, now into h. So in 120, here we can displace it from here to here. It become 480. So multiplication it will be coming under, this is taken as divide 120. Okay. So is equal to h, or h is equal to 480 divided by 120. So these two zeros are cancelled. 12 ones are 12 fours are 12 fours are 48. It will be become h is equal to 4, or we can also write height is h is equal to 4 meter. Now we have to write about one sentence here, or we have to write the conclusion here. The conclusion is very simple. The object at the height of the object at the height of 4 meter. The object of the height is 4 meter. Here that means it will be taken as when we throw about the 12 kg of mass at the certain height, it reaches the certain height at 4 meter, it will be taken, and it will be reaches at the height of the 4 meter. The potential differences, the potential energy is 480 joules. Okay, here this is the 4 meter is our answer. Thank you.